Sir Manny, let's talk about the performance yesterday. On the one hand, this had been expected. We were closed on November 30th. To what extent is this already, let's say, a time to be bargain hunting, especially when you look at the technical indicators?
Yeah, well, yesterday unfortunately, we broke through a couple of support levels at 7,200 that went very quickly, and then at 7,000 that also went that was past about midday. So then we settled at about just below 7,000. So then your next support level is really 6750. I think it's we're trading more technicals right now. The fundamentals remain intact. We believe, in fact, it's mostly good news, say maybe for Omicron, but the numbers are all there. I think the expectations already for inflation next week would be below 4%. I think that would be safe to say, and people are talking about a strong fourth quarter or a rebound in fourth quarter GDP, and that also is pretty much on the way now. So the fundamentals are intact, but we're going. Sentiment is there. Fear, if you'd like, is there, and unfortunately, that the market is the way it is. It will react to Omicron maybe getting out of hand. So are we anticipating worst case scenario? The pronouncements of Fed Chair Powell also, I guess, didn't help. It's signaling maybe U.S. is going to be increasing, all right, bringing rates up to fight inflation. Philippines, being in a global part of the global economy, will probably have to move the same way. No? Despite BSP Governor Jokno saying, well, maybe for the first half of the year we'll keep rates as is where they are right now.
Okay.
So we'll see.
We'll go back to that point. Let's look first at the technicals here, sir. The quick, if you can call it that, rebound today. Can we, even despite the fact that the S&P 500 had the worst day, yesterday, and we are opening in the green, what does that
Yes.
tell you? Does that show that, there's been a reversal, there's a psychological level at 7,000, nevertheless, that investors are looking at? And, if you look at the RSI and the MACD, it does seem to be that the momentum is towards the green, at least in the short term. Can we expect that?
It's a big drop we had yesterday, like you mentioned. So there should be some kind of technical rebound, call it that.
Okay.
Others will call it a dead cat bounce. We'll see. So there should be, if we gain another 100 points today, that should be about right for the playbooks of the technicians out there. Now, whether that reverses or that goes back in the red is really a function of, I guess, what we see as far as Omicron. I think Omicron will still be your lead, the lead news, no, for where this market goes.